Friends, continuing our ancient and medieval times, we will do some quick facts which are very important for your film examination. Let's do the medieval times. Diwani Arch. There are certain departments which are being named. What is Diwani Arch? Diwani Arch is military department during medieval days. Remember it. Diwani Arch, military department. Diwani Rasalat, religious matters and stipend to deserving people. During medieval times, there were times in which the kings were setting up this particular department to give some deserving stipend to deserving people. Diwani Insa, Department of Correspondence. Diwani Insa is what? Department of Correspondence. IC. Then Alauddin Khilji times, Pragana was headed by Amil. Alauddin Khilji time, the Pragana was headed by Amil. Remember it. They have asked this question many times in UPSC also. Then Khut is what? During medieval times, the Sultanate period, Khuts are landowners. Khuts are what? Landowners. Then Muqaddam, headman. Muqaddam is headman. Taimur's invasion of Delhi, 1398. We will see the Delhi Sultanate, and after that Taimur invaded Delhi. Then historian Barani is contemporary of Alauddin Khalji. Historian Barani, there are mentioned, they can ask you who is the contemporary of Barani. It is Alauddin Khalji, or they can reverse the question. Alauddin Khalji is the contemporary of which historian? The answer is Barani. Then chronology of Delhi Sultanate. You need not be knowing everything about the Delhi Sultanate, but the chronology you should be remembering. First one is Qutbuddin Aibak, 1206 to 1210. He was Turkish. It's a slave dynasty. First one is the slave dynasty. First one is Qutbuddin Aibak, then Iltutmish. From 1210 to 1236, then Reza Sultan 1236 to 39, then Balban. Balban's the real name was Ulugh Khan. Remember it. What is the real name of Balban? They can ask you. The answer is Ulugh Khan. Ulugh Khan, and 1246 to 1287. Then after completion of the slave dynasty came the Khaljis. Khalji is 1290 to 1320. And Alauddin Khalji 1296 to 1360. That is Khalji dynasty. Then Tughlaq. Tughlaq is 1320 to 1412. Very important, Tughlaq dynasty. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, founder. Who is the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Then his son is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. You must be knowing. He is being considered as a psycho king of that particular era. Because Muhammad bin Tughlaq, what he did, he transferred the capital from Delhi to Devgir, and again he transferred the Devgir to again Delhi. It is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Remember it. Who transferred the capital from Delhi to Devgir? It is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Then comes the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Firoz Shah Tughlaq did so many. There is Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi, the previous name of the Delhi stadium, cricket stadium, Firoz Shah Kotla. He served from 1351 to 88 was the day. Malik Muhammad Jaisi wrote Padmavat. Malik Muhammad Jaisi wrote Padmavat. Padmavat, you might have seen that particular movie, that Ranbir Singh, then Deepika Padukone and Ranbir, I think Kapoor. Sorry, not Ranbir Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor. That movie you might have seen. That is Padmavat, written by Malik Muhammad Jaisi. Then Sun Temple built at Gaya. This particular question being asked in 2019 prelim. Sun Temple built at Gaya mentions Firoz Shah Tughlaq twice. They have mentioned Firoz Shah Tughlaq twice. Then Gaya Temple is also mentioned in Vayu Puran. Gaya Temple, the same Sun Temple at Gaya is mentioned in our Vayu Puran. Then Nayankara system of Vijayanagara Empire. We will be taking some quick facts about Vijayanagara Empire. But remember this, Nayankara system of Vijayanagara was modeled in Ikta system. What is Ekta system? During the Sultanate period, any kind of a service provided by some of the person, officer, high rank officer, be it army, be it civil side, they were assigning ektas to them. Means they will not be giving them payment, but they will be giving a large land to that particular individual, and those will be the landowners. Then that is Ikta system, and the Nayankara system of Vijayanagara Empire is equivalent to Ikta system of the Sultanate period. Then Jahangir is the contemporary of Khwaja Mohiuddin Chishti. Then after recovery from illness, this question was also asked. Recovery from illness, he went to Khwaja Mohiuddin Chishti, token of thanks to Chishti. And then Khalsa Society, the Society of the Pure, was founded by 1699 by Guru Gobind Singh. Very important discussion. Do it. You can watch this particular. We will be continuing this. Thank you very much.